How does that look stable to you?
Get that fucking on film, bitch.
Wow, it looks great though.
I'm sorry I ever doubted you, Dad. Will you be my dad again?
Do you think I could throw the lawnmower from the top of the house to the pool?
Like if I spin like this, fast enough?
I think I could definitely do that.
You don't think so?
He doesn't think I could do it.
You don't think he can throw a lawnmower off the roof? Have you not seen him do this? Boom, boom, boom. Hayden, like quick cut, like 20 different crazy things he's done.
No, Hayden, don't do it. Just leave what Mike just said.
I lived here for 3 months. People telling me he will win the fight.
Oh, David! You gave me heartburn with that one. You just got over it, dude.
All right, well, you know what? Fuck you, David. I'm
Do
going to
it.
do this.
Okay.